Hello, and welcome to today's video. If you're looking for a way to disable the Clips feature in the Twitch app on your Android phone, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to turn off clips using the built-in settings within the Twitch app. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Make sure you're signed in and then go to the Profile section. Next, scroll down and tap on Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Stream Manager. Now scroll down the Stream Manager screen until you find the Clips option. Finally, toggle off or disable the Clips feature. This will prevent viewers from creating new clips during your streams. That's it. Disabling clips on Twitch for Android is quick and easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out our channel for more tutorials.